Hi guys, Carl with MarineMax Panama City Beach. The new 2026 models are available. The very first one to the lot, 2026 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. This is Grady's hybrid model. Beautiful with the ocean mist color. Let's jump aboard and see what the new ones offer you. All right guys, in the cockpit of this 251 Coastal Explorer, you have your rear seating, adjustable headrest, backrest to make it a easy casting platform. Of course, you remove your cushions and it becomes just that. Underneath you have storage both port and starboard with a live well center. Tackle storage back of the helm, a secondary live well in your co-pilot's chair just under it. Of course, your helm, all Grady-Whites do not include the electronics, as we will install them for you. That way you can pick the brand and manufacturer that suits you best. Moving forward in this Coastal Explorer, you'll get to see the large bow areas, the lounge forward of the helm, adjustable backrest that come up with the push of a button, storage both port and starboard. It is outfitted already for the trolling motor out forward, rod storage on both sides, 3 both port and starboard. A lot to see here, a lot more to uncover. Come see me at MarineMax Panama City Beach. I'd love to show the boat to you.